Hey there, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Fixing Expert, your ultimate destination for all things home improvement and interior design. Today we're delving into the essential rules of decorating that every homeowner should know. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or just starting on your design journey, these 7 decorating rules are must-knows to create a harmonious and beautiful space. So, let's dive into 7 decorating rules you must always follow. Essential interior design basics. Rule 1: Start with a plan. The first rule of decorating is to start with a plan. Before diving into decor decisions, take time to plan out your vision for the space. Consider the room's function, your style preferences, color scheme, and any specific themes or moods you want to create. Rule 2: Scale and proportion. Next, let's talk about scale and proportion. It's essential to choose furniture and decor items that are proportionate to the size of your room. Oversized furniture in a small space can feel cramped, while tiny pieces in a large room may look lost. Rule 3: Balance colors and patterns. Rule number 3 is all about balancing colors and patterns. While adding color and pattern can liven up a room, too much can create visual chaos. Aim for a harmonious blend by choosing a primary color palette and incorporating patterns strategically. Rule 4: Lighting matters. Another crucial rule is that lighting matters. Proper lighting can enhance the ambience, functionality, and overall mood of a room. Incorporate a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create layers and flexibility. Rule 5: Embrace negative space. Rule number 5 is to embrace negative space. Not every inch of your room needs to be filled with decor. Leaving breathing room or negative space around furniture and decor items creates visual balance and prevents overcrowding. Rule 6: Create focal points. Next, let's discuss creating focal points. Every room should have a focal point, a visually striking element that draws attention and anchors the space. It could be a fireplace, a statement piece of furniture, an accent wall, or a stunning piece of art. Rule 7: Personalize with meaningful decor. Last but not least, rule number 7 is to personalize with meaningful decor. Infuse your space with items that reflect your personality, interests, and memories. Whether it's family photos, travel souvenirs, or handmade pieces, these touches make your home uniquely yours. And there you have it, our guide to the 7 decorating rules you must always follow for a well-designed home. By starting with a plan, considering scale and proportion, balancing colors and patterns, prioritizing lighting, embracing negative space, creating focal points, and personalizing with meaningful decor, you're on your way to creating a space that reflects your style and feels like home. If you found these decorating rules helpful or have tips of your own to share, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interior design insights, tips, and expert advice. Thanks for watching Fixing Expert, where we make your design dreams a reality. Happy decorating!